හරි මම අද ඇවිල්ලා ඉන්නේ පොඩ්ඩක් වෙනස් තැනකට වෙනස් බෑග්ග්‍රවුන්ඩ් එකක ඉන්නේ වෙනද වගේ ස්ටුඩියෝ එකකින් නම් නෙමෙයි අද වීඩියෝ එක කරන්නේ. ඉතින් ඔයගොල්ලෝ දන්නේ නැති මගේ channel එකත් එක්ක එකතු වෙලා හිටියනම් මම iOS development සහ Apple ecosystem එකේ development වල ටිකක් ළඟින් වැඩ කරනවා. ඉතින් මට අවස්ථාවක් හම්බුණා iOS Dev UK වල conference එකකට සහභාගී වෙන්න සහ මට workshop එකක් කරන්න chance එකක් හම්බුණා. ඉතින් අද මේක ඉවර වෙලා මම හිතුවා ගිය සතියේ මම කතා කරා මලින්දත් එක්ක කොහොමද මේ augmented reality සහ Vision Pro device එක වැඩ කරන්නේ කියන එක ගැන. ඉතින් මම හිතුවා පොඩ්ඩක් අද එතනින් එහාට චුට්ටක් ඇඩ්වාන්ස් විදියට මේක developersලා කොහොමද දකින්නේ කියලා. මොකද මට මේ conference එකේදී ගොඩාක් developersලා හම්බ වුණා. ඉතින් ඒක නිසා මම කල්පනා කරා developersලාත් එක්ක මේක ගැන චුට්ටක් කතා කරලා බලන්න ඕනි කියලා. ඉතින් මේකේ sounds quality එක සහ video footage එක පොඩ්ඩක් වෙනස් විදියට තියෙයි. මොකද ස්ටුඩියෝ එකේ නැති නිසා වෙනද වගේ lighting සහ ඒ වගේ දේවල්. හැබැයි ඉතින් මේ environment එක බොහොම ලස්සන එකක්. ඉතින් අපි developersලා කීප දෙනෙක්ගෙන් අහලා බලමු ඒගොල්ලෝ මොකද හිතන්නේ මේ augmented reality සහ Vision Pro device එක ගැන එයාලගේ ideas මොකක්ද කියලා. Alright, so now I have with Audrien. So she came from France. Alright, so Audrien, so what do you thought about Vision Pro?
Yeah, first I was amazed, and after that I heard about the price, and I was looking at that price, and I thought it was actually expensive. But when you see the tech inside it, now you understand why it is this price, because the tech is better than every tech right now on AR or VR headsets. So this is big news, and the thing is that on iOS you have almost everything ready with iOS development, with the Vision Pro, with VisionOS. So this is really great news because you could just simulate what your application can be at the first beta of VisionOS. So this is really amazing, and you have that view, and now you can understand what they are doing, where and maybe where they are going.
Okay, what do you think about the product placement? Where these product might be positioned in their product lineup?
For me, it's a niche. It's a product for niche because the price is still hard to. Even some developers don't want to use it. Most will just use what the company is offering. So maybe they will not buy it for them, but just try it inside the company. For me, for example, at first I wanted to buy it, but now will try a little bit to wait for the other versions, but I definitely have a version in the future.
Okay, so do you think are they encouraging developers to develop the applications to the Vision Pro devices? So how about their SDKs and other stuff, like how frequently they are putting the updates and stuff like that?
The thing is, Apple is that they succeeded in getting every developer's attention, because when you're trying to build the application, it's working. So you see something really working, and you can start doing stuff. So he's motivating other developers to just try it, and they also open the labs. The labs at the beginning was just few slots for people or enterprises. Now it's getting bigger and bigger. So you can decide to go next week and not wait for 2 months to have it. So this is really great, and this is where Apple is good at doing, like trying to attract people to a new product, and also its new SDK, having that attraction, having that attention, which is really high at the moment, and releasing, so it motivates people to get the apps ready for VisionOS, because they will promote those apps, and yeah, this is really good for us.
All right, thanks Audrey.
Thank you
so much. Thank you. All right, so now we have Adrian with us. So he's coming from Senegal. So tell me about your experience about the iOS development, and how do you think about the Vision Pro device?
Yeah, so my name is Ibrahima. I've been doing iOS for about a decade now. And I'm really excited about the Vision OS. Right? I don't know if I will develop for that really soon. I've toyed with the SDK, which is really cool, right? And I've seen many people doing amazing things on Twitter and sharing that.
Yeah.
And I think that the SDK has a lot of potential, right? You can build so immersive apps with it. So I think that, yeah, it is quite amazing to have this SDK.
Okay, what do you think about the limitations of this? Because are they going to completely replace the iPad OS or Mac OS, or what kind of a limitation it has? Like what sort of things we can do with this? I mean, like instead of the AR stuff, what kind of a limitation it has right now?
I don't think that it's gonna replace an iPad or Mac OS sooner, right? You can do many amazing things, right? But I guess each platform has its own place in the Apple ecosystem, right? But like Audrey said, this is a niche, right? For instance, how I see this SDK being used is, for instance, for a plane or a flight app, right? Where you can see the destination, the airport, and so on. So this will be, for instance, the perfect occasion, the perfect tool to use this SDK and yeah, other apps like that.
Maybe that product might be a better place for the enterprise customers for doing some sort of like simulation kind of stuff.
Exactly.
Yeah. All right. So, what are the things you think when the final product arrives to the market? What are the things should change? What's your opinion about the final product? Maybe in the battery life, or maybe the cooling systems, or maybe.
Yeah. There are many factors, right? First, the price. It is quite pricey for now, so it won't be like reachable to everyone, to most of the developers, I guess. And the battery life, the 2 hours battery life, I think for me it is like quite limited for now. Just having, you have a pretty good device, but with less battery, like I will wait for the next version, at least to see an improvement in the battery life.
All right. Okay. Thanks, Abe.
Thank you.
Thank you.